Hello fellow rangers, welcome back to another video. Today we are just doing, it's going to be a quick video changing the gear knob of a Mark III Mx5. First you untwist the gear knob, the one that you're not a big fan of, the one that looks fairly boring, right? Of course, because it's never been taken off Barry before, it's gonna need, will have quite a lot of thread to it. And here we are, the old gear knob, and here is the new one once the camera focuses. There we go. And then because this is from Mx5 parts, no modification is required. No adaptation bits of plastic or nothing. And voila, a brand new gear knob. If you have enjoyed this quick video, please put a like on the video, as it helps out. And if this is your first video, please consider subscribing to the channel, as the goal is still to hit 400 subscribers this year. So till the next time, my fellow rangers, you take care, and Lone Ranger signing out.